Gosh, I'm really messy with it today, aren't I? But sometimes the placement isn't great, it doesn't look amazing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Kiss Falscara, how I apply it every single day. Now I apply it whether I'm going to the gym, going to work, going shopping, going grocery shopping, going to events, all of that. I always have Kiss Falscara on my lashes with the lashes of my choice. Now I tend to go for the Peaches and Cream number 8s, and I buy them in bulk, and you'll see in the video what they look like, and I have them on today as well. Personally, I really like using Kiss Falscara on a day-to-day basis just because I don't get along with eyelash glue. It's a lot of faff and I have to wait around for it to dry, and my eyelids just don't agree with it anymore. Especially now some formulas have changed. So I've used cheap eyelash glues and I've used expensive eyelash glues. But this, for me, this product is just so easy to use, and I'll just take it everywhere with me when I'm traveling, when I'm going away. It's always in my bag. I just find it so easy to use, and that's why I use it every single day. So a lot of people are saying like, oh, I don't get the point, like why would you do that, why don't you just use eyelash glue? It's just because this product is just so easy to use, and you'll see in the video like how quickly everything works, and how I apply it in real time, and you'll just see that in a few clips. So today I skipped the gym because I prefer filming in daylight, and for my previous videos you would have seen me film with the big light on, and it's just not great looking. It's all very yellow in the background, and it kind of like goes in and out of like balance and stuff and saturation, which isn't great. So today I thought I'd skip the gym and stay at home, film a video, then head to work. So at the moment I'm getting ready for work. I've got like the rest of my makeup on, so I've got some SPF on, some blush, some bronzer, eyebrows, and now it's time to do the lashes. Now today I thought I'd film how I do my everyday Falscara routine in real time, just so you guys get a feel of how I do this every single day. Now you're going to take this with a pinch of salt because I'm not in my usual setup. Like normally I'm standing by a big mirror doing my eyelashes really quickly, like under 5 minutes. Here we are, here we go. But today obviously I'm going to be speaking to you whilst I do my eyelashes, which I don't normally do. If you want to see more product reviews from me, or just like get to know me a little bit more, then please do like and subscribe. Here we go. So I've got my eyelash curlers, I've got my Falscara, Kiss Falscara, I've got my lashes pre-cut already. I've been using this for this week, so these are freshly cut for the next 2 weeks, and these are the Peaches and Cream number 8s. I love them so much. Where are my tweezers? I've got my tweezers as well. So eyelash curler, Kiss Falscara, tweezers, and you're gonna need a mirror as well. I hope I don't have a runny nose. So yesterday I tried to film this and I had a runny nose. Yeah, it just wasn't great. So it's currently 7:48 in the morning. 7:48, don't know if you can see that. I'm obviously speaking in between seconds here, and let's just wait for this light to readjust because I'm looking like a clown. There we go, there we are, back to normal. And don't mind the 2 spots on my lip as well, they are recovering. So first of all I'm going in and curling my eyelashes. I do give them a really good decent curl, and around my eyes as well I've got the Ultra Sun lip care in SPF 50. It's currently sleeting outside, so having SPF on your skin, on your face, around your eyes, is really great for protecting your skin against like harsh weather, because it can help with like wind chafe and stuff around your face. Anyway, so I've just opened up my Falscara. I'm going in with it just as you would with a normal mascara, wiggling the brush. I just find that this is such a great brush because it's so tiny and you can really get up into those corner lashes as well. because you really want to maximize the area you have so you can place the cluster lashes on properly. And I do get some on my eyelid, but that's all right. It's a daily occurrence. I don't know if you guys have ever watched one of my mascara videos back in the day when I used to wear mascara. I used to get it up all into my eyelids, and I'd clean it up with a Vaseline and a Q-tip. Right, so I don't know if that was focusing properly on my actual eyelashes then, but there you go, the Falscara is on. And now I'm just gonna take the lashes, and great, one cluster's just fallen out, love that for me. I'm gonna take one cluster for the outer edge. Sometimes the placement isn't always perfect either. I have been using Falscara for 2 years now, and so like I've got the hang of it, I'd like to say. But sometimes the placement isn't great, it doesn't look amazing, or I could move it around and stuff and readjust it to make it look a bit more seamless. There we are, that was ultra quick, so that's one side done. And I'll just pick up the other lash and blow off any dust. Right, now we're going in with the second eye. So I'm going in again and curling my lashes. I do prefer doing this in front of the mirror rather than holding a mirror. It's just much easier. Yeah, and I do this routine every day unless I'm not going out anywhere. Normally I'm heading to the gym. Normally I get up at 5. Today it's sleeting outside, just don't have my car, and so I've got to go and collect it today on my lunch break. So I've got a full day of work today. I work 9 to 5. And yeah. So that's that all curled up. Don't mind the 2 spots on my lip. I've already said that. I think I've already said that. But yeah, there'll probably be a video coming up soon about that. Gosh, I'm really messy with it today, aren't I? Let me just come in a little bit closer for you. Now, as the Falscara dries out, like when you're like onto your last month of using this product, your lashes can clump together, and so you have less area to work with placing your cluster lashes. So I'm just going to be taking the outer corner. I always start with the outer corner and place the lashes on like that. I have had a comment before asking, oh, like, can you just use a whole strip lash? I just don't think that would work. Just because it's a lot to work with, and you're probably not going to get the desired outcome. Because it'd be quite fiddly to work with. I know that eye's looking very, very sketchy. It's looking ultra dramatic. Yeah, and I'm just gonna, so it's just so easy to like take them off and like maneuver them if you don't like the placement of the lashes. And I personally don't use the seal unless the lashes are super tacky, and that just helps to prevent the tackiness. Okay, that is my lashes on. They're both fully on now, so let me just readjust and I'll show you. The time is currently 7:55, 7:56 now that I'm showing you, but there we go, give or take around 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you want to call it. There we are, and those are my eyelashes on. They're ready for the day. I'll do check-ins throughout the day just to show you how they last and everything. Generally they last me from like 5:30 in the morning till 5:30 in the evening, so they'll last me 12 hours, and I've had them on for even longer before, for festivals and nights out, and they've always stayed on. So yeah, so I've just had a bit of dust. It's not even dust, it's, you know, that like light, like white fluffy stuff sometimes you get. Anyway, it was like on this eye and it was going into my eye. I was getting really uncomfortable, so I took off the lash cluster and just removed it, removed the bit of dust, and now it feels much more comfortable on my eye. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta rejig it, sometimes it's not perfect. You just gotta work with it, you know. And the easy thing about it is you can take off and on your lashes just when you please. So, because you don't really get to see this kind of angle, do you? So I didn't really clean it up, but this is what the underneath looks like. So it's not on my waterline, it's on my lash line. Guys, it's so cold, it's raining, it's sleeting, it's freezing, it's windy. Look at the state of my hair. So I'm walking back to work after picking up my car. Lashes have taken a battering in the rain and a bit of wind, but we're all good. I switched umbrellas because this one's bigger and sturdier. Yeah, but all in all they look really nice still. That's why I trust this product so much. So guys, I am back home now from work. It's currently 5:25. So lashes have been literally on all day. Now I'm going to be taking them off. So we've had them on for quite a long time. So we'll say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 hours of wear, going strong. So I'm just going to take off the lashes. So all I do on a daily basis is I just take them off literally like that. And I haven't noticed any like wear and tear on the lash clusters, neither do I find it to be damaging to my actual lashes. And I just like place them back into the lash tray like so, in order, like there. Ta-da. Let me just show you up close, just like that. And literally, really, like, it has minimal Falscara products on the lash cluster. By the end of like 2 weeks you will notice some lash, some Falscara on the lash clusters, but yeah, so that's what I do. Put them back in, then I take 2 cotton rounds, and then I'll take my beloved Double Effect eye makeup remover by Nivea and 2 cotton rounds just to remove the Falscara. Some of you find it quite hard to remove the Falscara, but I find that this does the job. You really want to saturate your cotton round and then kind of leave it on your eyes for about 10 seconds. So I'll go on top of my eyelashes and then I'll go under my eyelashes, so both sides of the lashes get coated with the Double Effect eye makeup remover. But if you're still finding it hard to take off, I recommend using petroleum jelly, Vaseline, anything of that kind to help really dissolve the product, but then again you can also use a oil-based cleanser, a cleansing balm to help remove this sticky adhesive. So that's off of my lashes now, like, can you see? And if I miss anything, I always double cleanse at the end of the day anyway. So yeah, that's that. So if you were ever stuck before on how to apply your lashes using Kiss Falscara, then I hope this video has helped you, and especially in real time as well. You can see how I apply the lashes and how easy it can be. And again, sometimes it's not always perfect, so you can always rejudge them if you need to. It's just easy as, just take a pair of tweezers, pop them off, stick them back on, all done, ready to go for your day. So I hope that's helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video.